Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the 4 cases of preamble which clears the confusion that preamble is a part of our constitution or not. In this video we will see these 4 cases in details. The first case is Berubari versus Union of India case of 1960. In this case, Supreme Court did not consider preamble is the part of constitution, so it cannot amend. Now let's move ahead to second case. The second case is Golaknath versus State of Punjab of 1967. In this case, Supreme Court considered preamble is important for the interpretation of the constitution, so it cannot amend it. And the third case is Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala of 1973. In this case, Supreme Court considered preamble as a part of constitution and it can amend, but Supreme Court provide the theory of basic structure and basic structure of constitution cannot be amended. Now the last case is LIC of India versus Union of India case of 1995. Supreme Court considered preamble is an integral part of constitution. So that's it guys for today. I hope your confusion will be clear that preamble can be amended but basic structure of constitution cannot be amended. Thank you guys. Do subscribe for more videos.